In this short video, I'm going to explain how you can search for candidates to match with a job opening, and also start with the candidate and find a job which matches the skills that they've got. So just going to go into ZOHO, and I'm going to start off with the jobs, with the job opening, and I've created a job opening called Marketing Executive, which has a number of skills associated with it. And what I can do is I can go to the menu and ask the system to find a match for this. Now, what you need to do here is look at the skills that you're that's important for that particular post. So I'm just, you'll get a whole number of skills here. So some of those will be relevant to you. So I'm just going to make these just, not specifically required, just so we can make sure that we've got some candidates in the database. So I'm just closing some of these ones here. Okay, so next thing, you also need to look at the location. That you're recruiting into, are they in a reasonably close to where you want them to be? And you could also look for keywords that are mentioned, for instance, in their CV, that sort of thing. Now, if I do that search, I find 3 candidates within my candidate bank. Now, if I refine that search down further and say, well, I want marketing automation I won't go with my campaigns is an absolute must. So it's good if they've got all these skills, but they must know campaigns. You can see that cuts the list down by 1, and I've got 2 here who fill the requirements. So I can go into these and I can look at the level of match. So Long John Silver matches 81%. And if that seems good to me, I can then associate Long John Silver with that particular job opening. Okay. If I go to the candidate below, I can see that the match is only 72%. So the system is also putting them in the correct order in terms of how likely they are to be a good match for the job that I'm trying to recruit into. Now, the other way that you can do this, if you go directly to the candidates module, you can search the candidates list by using a Boolean search. So I can type in content writing, one of the skills that is required, and let's say online marketing. Okay, and you can see that it's selected out of 4 in the database. It selected 3 of these that will actually meet that criteria. And if I add another condition on there, you see that's cut that down to 2. So these are the 2 of the candidates that actually meet my criteria. And you can also use OR statements as well, if you know about AND and OR, that sort of thing. Now, the other thing that you might want to do is you might want to find the best job for a particular candidate that you're working with. So that's looking at it from the other end. So if I go into Long John Silver again, now one of the ways I can do that is through using artificial intelligence by hitting the ZOHO button here. and that will go and search through to find jobs which are suitable for this particular candidate, Long John Silver. And you could see that it's picked the marketing executive one, which is 88, and I can quick associate this candidate to that particular job opening. So I'll make some notes around that. And then associate Long John Silver with that job opening. So if I go back into that job opening and open marketing executive, you can see that I've got one applicant, which is Long John Silver. So I hope that explains some of the search facilities that are available in ZOHO Recruit. If you've got any other questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call.